pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey everybody, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. I'm really glad you clicked on this video. And if you're returning, thank you for being here. So I got my Laura Lee lipsticks, or lip glosses I should say, that were supposed to come with my palette last week. Her customer service was awesome. So I opened them up for the first time. Here they are. I think Strawberry Sky and E-Bug. I'm not really sure where they came up with E-Bug from, but I did put that on my lips. I haven't tried Strawberry Sky yet, so they're really like clear glosses. One's got sparklies in it, the other one just a really nice high shine. I do like her packaging, and the smell is insane. It's so good. And then I also got my Heaven Panty subscription. This is the styling subscription of panties every month that they send to me. And I hope I didn't show my address. And I've been loving them. They have all different styles. They have styles from, you got sexy underwear to maternity underwear to comfort underwear to bikini underwear, and they start at $4.99. They're always doing sales, giveaways, and all that stuff. I always see it in my inbox. I'm like, they're really good. And I've been using these for about 6 months now. Oh my gosh, it's been that long. And I've washed them, worn them. They hold up fine. You can put them in, you can hand wash them or put them in the washing machine on delicate cycle. And let's check out the pairs I got this month. So this is how they come in a nice little Ziploc bag. Just tear this off. I do have pictures up on my Instagram. I'm not sure if I'll be, it depends on how bare they are, whether or not I can do pictures, guys. I'm just saying. Alright, so I always get extra small, and I am 5'6", about 110 pounds. Wow, these are really pretty. Let me pull these off of here. They always look so much bigger than what they actually are. Okay, so, wow, these are cute, but I definitely, I mean, really cute. Definitely can't take a photo of these. Not gonna work. They have the tag over here. It says extra small. Here, does it have a price on it? The MSRP is $15 on these pair. So that's really cute. You got a little metal heart in there, and this is what the back looks like. So there's not a whole lot to them, but they're lacy. Now I'll have to update you on how these feel. The ones that I got from last month, I'll show you. In here, I'll put some pictures. I love them. I really do. They're super comfortable. They never go out of shape, and washed them, worn them several times. So, oh my gosh, I love these. Oh my goodness. Oh, wait till you see this. This is super cute. Okay, so you have, they're like little cheekies, I guess you would call them. In the back, they've got this metal piece right here. The MSRP is $15. They got a little bow in the front. I'm really liking these. These I might be able to do a picture with. I'll have to see. But I get 2 pairs every month. Like I said, they start off at $4.99. You have everything from sexy underwear to maternity underwear. My hair's just not wanting to, the humidity, it's not helping it at all today. But what was I saying? Yes, and they're really good quality, so I enjoy it. It's like a luxury to me. I'm like, oh, I get to open these up every month. I get 2 new pairs, and it's just, I'm like, oh, I want to add them to my collection. Of course, I wash them before I wear them, or if I try them on, it depends. These ones I'll definitely have to wash before I wear them. and I will let you know. I will go ahead and grab the ones I got from last month and show you them because I've already worn them. So let me get those and I'll be right back. Okay, so the two I got last month are right here. This is what the front looked like. These I could not do pictures, and obviously you can tell why. That was the back. This is the front. It's just gonna show way too much. And then the other ones, it's like your G-string. Yeah, so they're really cute and they fit really, really well. I mean, their sizing was right on point. Extra small for me worked out perfect. And then when I got my first order, they sent me a measuring tape and everything with it, which is really handy to have, to be honest with you. But I've loved everything I've gotten from them so far. If you've got any questions, let me know down in the comments below. I will put their website if you guys want to check it out. It's just something that is nice for a woman to have, you know. Every month you have some kind of luxury underwear coming to the door. It's kind of nice and I enjoy it. So if that's something that you want to know more about, I'll leave all that information down in the comments below, and then or down in the description box below, and then comment if you have any questions or anything to add. Have you tried them yet? Let me know. All right guys, I will see you really soon in another video. Bye.